Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. Today in this video, we are going to discuss one of the secret repair methods for repairing the PT430CT02 panel. In this model panel, there is a very common fault known as the no graphics problem. These types of panels are 100% reparable using a panel repair laser machine. However, in this video, we are only showing a demo method to repair this panel without using a laser machine. There are several other methods available as well. Actually, in this panel model, the STV signal is internally shorted inside the glass panel, which causes the display problem. This is a very common fault in this panel. Friends, when you check the STV test points on both the left and right sides using a multimeter, you will notice that it shows a negative voltage. This happens because of the internal short inside the panel. If you have a laser machine, this fault can be repaired by removing the internal STV signal shorting. To repair this panel, multiple methods are available. In this video, we are only showing one demo method. For this repair method, we normally need a variable voltage booster/regulator board. Unfortunately, I don't have that board right now. So for testing purposes, I am using the VGH voltage instead. After applying this voltage, you can observe the picture symptoms. Now friends, on the panel scalar PCB, on both the left and right sides, you will see a small PF capacitor. From this capacitor, you can notice a track along with a test point going toward the panel. These tracks are present on both sides of the panel scalar PCB. For repair purposes, first you need to cut these tracks near the capacitor before the test point on both sides. We will show a marked image in the video to indicate exactly where to cut the tracks. After cutting the tracks, from the panel side of the test point, you need to connect a variable DC power supply module. Using this module, you can adjust the voltage slowly until the picture becomes stable. For demo purposes, we are connecting 30 volts from the VGH test point. While connecting the voltage, you can connect it from either the left or right side. But make sure the tracks are disconnected on both sides before starting the bypass. Now friends, we have connected 30 volts from the VGH section to the left side of the scalar PCB. As you can see, a small portion of the picture appears on half of the display, along with the double image effect. If you have a variable voltage booster regulator board, you can fine-tune the bypass voltage until the picture becomes completely clear. Again, this video is only for demo purposes. The permanent solution is always panel replacement. And we cannot predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck. That's it, friends. I hope you like our channel. If you really like our content, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get future notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.